alcohol and cigarettes.
Connect with your favorite stars in Star Life.
Oh, you.
Kurikirana Star Life.
Be updated with trending stories.
Amakuru y'imyidagaduro tatuye tuganira byinshi bigiye bitandukanye. Ndago harmonize kazafite kirori.
Brand style in fashion news.
Miss Earth ni kunshuro ya 19 ibaye.
Be the one in a box office brand new movies.
Joker. Number 3 dufite with the Adams family.
Meet with the billionaires in business corner.
Ariko zimwe n'ikindi kintu kiba gisekeje. Usanga umuntu afite talent ya danje ariko ashaka kwicara mu biro y'ibihumbi 300.
You will talk to them while you're on your way down. That's life.
Être avec nous et les traduits français.
Bienvenue à vous tous et à toutes dans la session du français.
Stay updated here in the Reflection Show on Victory TV 113 on Star Time.
Once again, twongeye kubaha ikaze bakunze ikiganiro Business Corner. Wa mwanya wanyu mwiza cyane mukunda mwese tuzi neza yuko ibijyanye na business mwese muhita mukiri duteba aho ngomba kwitambwa kurikirana, right? So twagize umwaka mwiza cyane so far 2019 najya ngo mbashimire cyane by'umwihariko abakomeje gudukurikira mu kiganiro cyacu cya Business Corner ubwo tugenda dusura ba rwiyemezamirimo batandukanye baduha experience yabo mu bijyanye na business. So uyu munsi rero tukaba twaje kusura ahantu bafite twatumwe twiza cyane mwese mukunda turyohera ku rurimi cyane by the way, you know. So uyu munsi tukaba twaje gusura EG Honey Trading Company. Tukaba turi kumwe na bagenzi bacu babiri. We are together with Ahmad. Welcome sir in the program. Okay. Tukaba turi kumwe kandi na Orest. Umeze neza? Yego. Ndajya mbanze mbifuriza umwaka mwiza. I'd like to first of all wish you happy new year 2020.
Thank you. Merry Christmas
and happy new year. Thank you so very much, and all our viewers all over the country of Rwanda, we love you so much and we hope that this program is going to be the best for you, right? Excellent. Okay, so first of all, let us present ourselves, right? Mm-hmm. They need to know who is Ahmad, they need to know who is our host before we keep on with our program. Mm-hmm. So, sir, who are you and what are you standing for here in Kigali with EG Honey Trading?
Yeah, I came, first of all, thank you for this nice presentation and nice welcoming here in EG Honey. Mm-hmm. This company called, or this house called Rocher.
Okay.
Rocher House. Rocher House, that means in French is the apiary. Apiary. Mm-hmm. Apiary, which is the farm for producing honey and other products.
Okay.
Introducing myself, I am Egyptian Ahmad. I'm engineer, agricultural engineer. I came here to Rwanda 2 years ago, and I discovered there are a lot of opportunities for improving the beekeeping industry. So once I started here, I tested the honey. I found it is very tasteful, very good.
And so the honey in Rwanda is very awesome.
Yeah, very awesome.
Okay.
And it is also I found a lot of appreciation in the market, in the global market, especially in Dubai.
Okay.
So I work for this and I try to establish this company.
Okay.
And try to get in touch with beekeepers and stockholders.
Okay.
Then I reach this stage.
Excellent, excellent. So, Monsieur Oreste, amakuru yawe tuguhaye ikaze. Twagira ngo ubwire abanyarwanda ndetse n'igituma uri kumwe natwe none aha mu mwanya nk'uyu nguyu.
Murakoze kwevuze nitwa Yamuremye Oreste. Ndi umuveterineri.
Okay.
Byize muri kaminuza y'u Rwanda. Ishami ry'Umutara Polytechnic.
Mutara Polytechnic.
Cyahoze ari cyitwa Mutara Polytechnic.
Okay.
Ninjiye muri ibintu by'ubuki ndetse n'ibikomoka ku nzuki. Imyaka ibiri mu by'umwuga. Ariko nkaba hano ndi umuyobozi w'ino company, Honey Trading Limited. Afatikanya na Ahmad kugira ngo turebe ko twagera kuri bya byifuzo by'abakunzi b'ubu.
Okay.
Ari ikindi cyatumye byinjiramo buriya.
Nta kindi
ari kirahari.
Kirahari. Okay, tukagira inkuru.
Mu Rwanda hari imvugo ivugira iti mu Rwanda rutemba amata n'ubuki.
Okay.
Amata rero bamaze kuboneka agira inka.
Amata ameze neza nta kibazo.
Ariko ubuki ntabwo. kandi bwiza.
Wow.
Nibyo byifuzo byanjye kumva rwa Rwanda rutemba amata n'ubuki. Nicyo ni cyakare cyatumye
iyerekwa ry'igihugu cyacu Rwanda akabyiniro kacu u Rwanda rutemba amata n'ubuki. So ubuki bwose buva muri EG Honey Trading Company. So the best honey to all our viewers who maybe we're not understanding Kinyarwanda, he was saying that Rwanda is a country which flows with milk and honey. But then he would like to stand in his position to make sure that the honey provided in Rwanda is really tasteful and it's really of high quality. So I would like to congratulate you, all of you. So, sir, when exactly did you get the idea of starting such a kind of business?
When? 2 years ago I came here 2018.
Okay.
And for doing the business, I was planned to do other business actually with a group of investors, but I found the opportunity for beekeeping.
Okay.
The potential exists, and the industry should be developed because the beekeepers here they are working in the traditional hives. And the work, even the production. I asked for production. I didn't find the quantity what I need.
Yes.
So I decided to myself. I decided
so
to.
So it is 2 years ago, right?
Yeah, around 1 year and a half. Something.
All right, I understand. Even if it is not a long time so far, but you have, every business normally when it's in its beginning stage, it has some various difficulties, right? And what has been particularly like your challenges in the beginning?
The challenges is first of all the language. The language, but now I'm trying to practice some every day.
Okay, can you tell us what is honey in Kinyarwanda?
Ubuki, and mazinga for this is the beehive. In Zuti, this is the bees itself. And too many.
How about farmers of honey? Their name in
Kinyarwanda?
Abavumvu.
Abavumvu.
Excellent. Wow.
Abavumvu. This is appearing. So I try to practice and I try to communicate with them with the help of Rest, and start to build our network between them.
Yes.
And then I told to myself why we cannot train them. We should teach them the new technology because they use the traditional hives. So we held 2 training. Last March we did one with the expert from Egypt.
Okay.
And last November also we did another training with cooperation with RDB.
Okay.
It was a successful one because we need to tell them a message that not only the honey can produce from the hive, there are a lot of products, reach 11 products than the honey.
11 products which can come from bees,
the bees,
general, right?
And these all products can be used as a medicine, and all factory of medicine and doctors, they can use it.
Okay.
And they can give it to the patient.
Okay, so do you produce those products here?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, that's
now
amazing.
We started to produce it, and we started to teach them how to produce and how to sell it.
Wow,
and
that's
how
amazing.
To use it.
That's so good. So the only challenge which you had was actually language barrier, but so far you have increased your effort. Now you know some percentages of Kinyarwanda, which is great, and there are people who are helping you out, right?
The language and the tools also, because the quality of the beehives, even here there is no manufacturing.
Okay.
So we import the beehives and the tools itself.
Okay.
So these too many challenges.
I understand. So no tugarutse kuri Oreste mugenzi wacu so far mumaranye igihe kingana iki mukorana? Okay, byiza cyane. Hanyuma wavuga none ko ari iki wavuga uru rugendo rwanyu rumaze kugera ku ihe ntera ku ihe ntambwe ujyanyije n'igihe mwatangiriye?
Bindi ko bigaragara ubuvumvu cyangwa se icyo nakwita beekeeping mu cyongereza hano mu Rwanda bikorwa ku buryo bwa gakondo. So dushaka uburyo twakongera tugashyiramo ikoranabuhanga bikaba ubuvumvu bwa kijyambere
bwa kijyambere
kandi butanga umusaruro kuri kubukora. ariho rero mu bufatikanye ndetse n'abanyamisiri hari ubumenyi bundi bushya ndetse n'ibikoresho tugenda twunguka kugira ngo koko ya mvugo yacu tuzayigereho.
Yes.
Kuko umuzinga wacu wa gakondo ubundi wera ku mwaka hagati y'ibiro 12 15 gutyo. Iyo weze neza. Ariko uriya wa kijyambere hari ushobora guhakura inshuro 8 inshuro 3 6 ukagera ku biro 60 undi ukaba wagera ku biro 80 hafi n'ijana,
umusaruro ukiyongera ukanyinshi.
Ikindi cya kabiri kiyongeraho ni uburyo izo products zindi ziba ku nzuki zitari ubuki gusa.
None se umusaruro uyongera gute kinzuki ntawe uzigaburira?
Umva nawe umuntu aba muri Nyakatsi akajya mu nzu nziza hari umuhanda n'iki aho neza.
So inzuki zigubwa neza zikava muri Nyakatsi zikajya mu nyubako nziza
nuko twabivuga. Ariko nanone ikindi urumva niba havaho izindi product cyangwa undi musaruro utandukanye n'ubuki ugera ku buryo 10 na bumwe kandi wose ufite agaciro karengeje ubuki nkuko tusanzwe tubuzi, kuvuga ngo umuvumba azabikora yishimye. Naho ngaho rero muri iyo mikoranire tugenda tubona bitanga umusaruro ndetse dufata n'iki gihe nkuko yabikubwiye tugakora amahugurwa twakoze mu kwezi kwa 3 twakoze mu kwezi kwa 11 kugira ngo bige bwa bumenyi ni izihe standard cyangwa se nibihe bigero bishakwa n'abakunda ubuki ndetse n'abakoresha ibikomoka ku nzuki. Ibyo rero turakorana muri ubwo buryo kugira ngo turebe ko twagira kuri cya kintu twifuza.
Great. Sir Ahmad, back to you. You first told us that we can actually even have like more than almost 11 products from bees in general.
Sure.
And can you tell us at least like the main ones, at least 3 or 5 of them, apart from like this?
First of all, the bee wax itself. Bee wax, which the shashara.
Shashara, yes.
Yeah, it's shashara. What we use it in the other industry. Second, something called royal gel. Royal gel. This is the special food for the queen, for the bees. So this special food. So this special food we collect it and give it to the patient for special purposes. This food we call royal gel, and it goes for industries, even for the medicine tablet and this thing.
Wow.
Another thing called propolis. Propolis, that means the bees collect some material or some substance to fix the shashara and fix their houses, and even when the queen laying egg, just it should be inside this propolis.
Yes.
This propolis is very highly have a lot of component which use in the medication, especially for stomach, especially for injury for the skins.
Yes,
a lot of uses for this propolis. The last one is the bee venom. You know, when the bees sting you, stings here. These things is very benefit for the body.
Really?
Yeah, really. Very benefit.
Ngiyo akawuki kakurumye biba biryoshye bimeze neza. Urubori, yes. So umuti rushiramo
iriya secretion niyo twita urubori ubundi. Yikwinjiyemo bari umuti nyine ufasha.
It's really so amazing because most of us are like, it's painful, you know.
So this bee venom, we have a device, put it inside the hive and collect this bee venom as a powder, and this powder, you know, 1 gram of this powder cost or selling price 35,000 1 gram. Imagine that 1 kilo.
Is that in France, right?
In franc.
35,000 francs.
For 1 gram. Imagine that 1 kilo, how much?
It's really
35. Yeah, too much. So this, because it is there are demand for this to the factory for medicine and for put it in ingredients for.
So do you have any industry or something which can combine, put those things together?
Industry.
Yes, or I mean to put those venoms of.
We use this venom for injection.
Yes.
To make it injection to the body, the doctor use it, or drops.
Yes.
Drops. and cream also
Wow.
to make cream.
Okay.
So there are factories and industry they use
Okay.
it and resell it and recommended by doctors,
Okay.
by medical doctors and
Yes.
so
So far we have a lot of viewers all across the country of Rwanda. Should they expect to come here and find those products here?
we have it, yeah. I
So
can
you
show
have
you.
all those products
We
here.
have it here now.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's great.
I can
Okay.
bring it here to you.
All right. So hanyuma noneho dukomeje watubwira noneho ikijyanye you shall have pictured us to let us know exactly what is the vision of EG honey trading specifically in Rwanda, and is it only in Rwanda
In
so
East,
far?
in majority of we are targeting Africa.
Okay,
State of
Africa.
yeah.
Okay, so what is your vision like?
Our vision is to improve the industry for beekeeping because the industry or the knowledge, the knowledge itself is not exist. So once the beekeeper will know how to produce, how to use the standard and the quality in their productions, so the market it will be exist. So
this is
we
so
enhance.
inspiring. I feel like coming into this industry.
Yeah, yeah.
It's so inspiring, right?
We enhance
Yeah.
Middle Rwanda for this purpose.
Yes.
Because, as I told at the beginning of the speech, there are a potential. You have a treasure here. You have a treasure.
Yes.
But the people don't know
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is the treasure. We usually say honey is money. Honey is money. But now we can say bee is money.
Bee is money
Bee is
because
money,
it's
a lot
not
of
just
products,
honey.
not-
There's a lot of products which
The
you can
honey
get from
only
bees.
cover your expense. Okay. The honey cover only your expense. I forgot to tell you about other products. Even the bees itself can be sold.
Okay.
There are demand for the bees can be shipped
Mm.
to other countries and to be sold.
Okay.
Even the queens itself, you can make Rwanda as
Yeah, because actually on some of this thing it says bee queen rearing.
rearing. Yeah.
Okay.
We are planning to do 3 stations for queen rearing in isolated area because we need to produce pure queens which resistance for the disease
Okay.
and bring more production for the bees colonies and even the other products.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So now, like, what is the? You see, there are a lot of students who did actually engineering with the like of your type in Rwanda, and whose eyes can actually see all those various opportunities. What is your words of counsel? What can you tell them?
For the students
Who are done with the
for
university,
audience,
they like to do
for example,
business,
for
something like this.
anyone, I hope that any Rwandese have 2 hives, even if he's not involved in the industry. But
two
hives in his home.
Okay.
Imagine that 12
Hives is also
Muzinga,
yes.
Muzinga. So imagine 12 million in Rwanda population. Each one have 2 hives. So that will increase the production, even if it's not involved in the academic or background. It's easy to use, easy to produce, easy to and interesting also. If I tell someone just use this Mzinga for production, for produce your pure honey, and you trust your honey, you trust your bees, he will be happy.
Yes.
So
sure.
it's not necessary for all population, but for a specific work like queen rearing and these things, the educated persons who has background for selections and this engineering selection in agronomy, business, and this veterinary, physics, medicine, this
they can be involved into such a thing.
Yeah.
That's great. So now, looking at their challenges actually, apart from like having imizinga where they can rear those bees, where they can get those various equipments which can actually extract those various products. Do you offer such products? Can they find them here?
Each product have tools or have mechanism to produce. For example, if I need to produce propolis, so I put a device or something to enforce or direct the bees to produce this.
Yeah. Do you have those equipments
we have
here?
It, we have it.
Are they for sale?
This is for sale, yeah.
Wow.
And even for
That's
rent,
amazing.
for helping, for teaching.
Ni byiza, ibyo ni byiza cyane. Muri kubyumva abanyarwanda inshuti zanjye. By the way, iki ni kimwe mu biganiro byiza cyane nakoze muri uyu mwaka, I have to be honest. Utu ni utuntu twiza cyane honestly, nishimira ko nifuza no kubagezaho by'umwihariko. So bafite products nyinshi cyane zitandukanye zijyana n'uburyo inzuki zawe zishobora kubyara umusaruro mwinshi cyane kurushaho uretse umusaruro w'ubuki gusa, ahubwo n'umusaruro w'izindi products nyinshi cyane zikoreshwa muri medicine n'ahandi henshi hatandukanye. Kandi hano hantu bafite equipment zitandukanye zagufasha gushyira ku murongo izo products zose ziba zikurwa mu nzuki muri rusange. So nagira ngo mbashimire cyane by'umwihariko, ariko mbere y'uko nsoza nagira ngo mugire niba hari ijambo mufite yo kubwira abakiriya banyu badukurikiye muri rusange.
Icyo nakongeraho uko yabivuze, havamo product nyinshi kandi byoroshye kuba wanazibona. Kwari kubwiye hari abamikazi, hari igishashara, hari izo nsinda, izo bita pollen seed, hakaba igikoma cy'urwiru, hakaba urubori,
yes,
hakabamo n'urucungu.
Okay.
Aribyo bita yakubwiye propolis. So nukuvuga ngo ibyo bintu
Ikinyarwanda kiri hano benshi nawe byangize. Okay.
Ari amagambo yo mu vuga.
Yes.
Bishatse kuvuga ngo rero hari ikintu imvugo iri hanze hanga ivuga ko urubyiruko rutinjira mu buhinzi n'ubworozi. Bishaka kubwira urubyiruko yuko tugomba kubijyamo kuko harimo icyo twakora kandi twakuramo amafaranga.
Okay.
Byashoboka cyane kandi nta kindi bisabye. Gihambaye nkuko wenda izindi business bigenda. Nkumva rero mu buryo bwanjye cyangwa se no mu bumenyi maze kugira urubyiruko rwakwitabiriye gukora icyo ubuvumvu kuko nta kindi kintu bisaba gihambaye kandi bakabona amafaranga. Aho kubwira ko bishobora kuvamo n'imiti yavura abantu.
Yes.
Birasaba abantu b'abahanga bazi ibintu by'ubuvumvu kandi bakiri batoya bashoboye gukora ibyo bintu kandi bakabikora neza.
Yes.
Kuko ibikoresho bijyanye n'igihe n'ubwo buvumvu birahari turabifite. Hari imizinga myiza ifite isuku ihagije ku buryo n'ikivuyemo kidashobora kuba nta makemwa. Noneho byakozwe n'urubyiruko cyangwa se wenda abagore nabo reka mbongereho.
Yes.
Byagira
cyakifuzo wese n'abakobwa mwese.
Icyifuzo twifuza ko rwa Rwanda rutemba amata n'ubuki. Yega ubuki bwaboneka ariko dufite n'amafaranga dukura ku nzuki.
Excellent. Twagira ngo tubashimire cyane bakunzi banyarwandakazi bakunze b'ikiganiro Business Corner ndetse na Reflection Show muri rusange. Urabizi turabakunda cyane kandi Imana ibaho umugisha. Umwaka mwiza cyane wa 2020.
Can I add something?
Yes. Hari ikintu ushaka kongeraho before closing? Okay.
Before closing, just 2 minutes.
Okay.
As I told you, beekeeping industry is a treasure for the country.
Okay.
For boasting made in Rwanda and other things, even for visit Rwanda. You can ask me, how can the bees attract the visit Rwanda?
So how do they do that?
We have a project called apitherapy. Apitherapy, that means that depending in the treatment for the tourists.
Did you say a bee therapy?
Apitherapy.
Okay.
Apitherapy. Apitherapy that use the bees to sting in specific point in the body.
Okay.
For treating.
Okay.
This is already made in Europe, in a lot of countries in Europe, in isolated area. Too many patients going there, and it attracts the tourists. This kind of tourists. Even if he don't need to use the apitherapy, he can use the natural view. So we have here a program with Akagera National Park to use their buffering zone for enhancing visit Rwanda by using apitherapy plus the nice view there for attracting tourists.
Okay.
So the beekeeping industry
it's a big one,
and the potential exists. This is my last message for you.
Excellent. So turabakunda cyane. Imana ibaho umugisha, mwakoze kubana natwe by'umwihariko mu kiganiro cyacu.